All right, this begins my outline for an introductory syllabus for my course proposal for Web Publishing 2, or Continuing Online Media Design. So this course is really a natural continuation of the existing online media design course, the web publishing course. That course goes over sort of an introduction to HTML and CSS with a little work with different content management systems like WordPress and Bootstrap. This course would really build on those skills and try to give students a more advanced portfolio of work. So we would work with advanced HTML, XHTML, and CSS. We would really focus on the advanced utilization and extreme customization of content management systems like WordPress and Bootstrap. This would include plugin use, different ways that you can use plugins to customize your site, etc. We would also introduce and then build on knowledge of JavaScript and jQuery and PHP. So these are all different programming languages that are used throughout web development and are really essential to any student's resume going into this area. The target audience for this course naturally is very much, the mass comm majors who are looking at the digital media concentration or the coming digital innovation major. But any student, even in the other concentrations, advertising, PR, journalism, that has taken the first course, the initial online media design course, will be able to take this course as long as they are, very interested in digital media and interested in incorporating advanced digital skills into their portfolio and resume. So the learning objectives that I would hope to cover in an advanced course go all the way from knowledge up to synthesis in that sort of metric of objectives. So we would start with the knowledge and basic comprehension of these new programming languages and skills, and then also the ability to apply those new languages. But then we would also incorporate, the ability to analyze different problems, issues, or projects that students are faced with. And they'd need to be able to analyze these issues and then synthesize solutions for those problems using a variety of the skills and languages that they've learned in the class. So they may need a piece of JavaScript, a piece of jQuery, a little bit of WordPress knowledge, and using all of that advanced comprehension and the ability to apply all that, they would be able to synthesize more complex and customized solutions to problems in the class. Assessments, I believe that it's really important with this style of class that a project-based learning model be instituted. So there would be no traditional tests or quizzes that would be graded. There would occasionally be non-graded sort of pop quizzes to make sure that they're staying up on their basic skill sets like classes and IDs for tags in HTML, but there would be no formal testing. Instead, assessments will take the form of, so there will be 3 large projects spaced throughout the semester, and then there will be 3 to 5 smaller exercises or smaller projects that will be in between those larger ones. Now, these projects or exercises may use only one programming language or one skill set, or they may incorporate several of the different skill sets they'll be gaining in the course. Especially the larger projects will probably draw from multiple languages and skill sets. So a typical class day in Web Publishing 2 would begin with an overview of any readings or handouts that were assigned as preparation. This will really be essential so that class time can be used effectively and we can jump right into new material. Following this overview, we would go through a demonstration and breakdown of any of those new skills where I would be going through the actual hand coding and students would just be watching. And after that, students would be presented with an example or a problem they need to work through using these new skills, or they would begin work on an exercise or project. And I would take that time to visit with each of them and check on their progress for the work of that day. This is why, it's important that just like in online media design, the class sizes remain small, 10 to 20 students max in each section. But based on this model, which is very similar to the existing online media design model, I think we could have a very successful course. Thank you.